In a square matrix, number of rows and number of column is same. This is called a square matrix. As we are observing in this matrix, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is a square matrix. Generally we write a square matrix like this: Aij m into m. So always number of rows and number of columns are same in this one. Another is rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix, number of rows and number of columns will be different. As we are observing, there are 3 rows and 2 columns, and number of rows and number of columns will be different in rectangular matrix. Next is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. In diagonal matrix, in a principal diagonal, always there is some elements except 0, and except principal diagonals there is always 0. So this is called diagonal matrix. This is called principal diagonals. For the principal diagonals, the positions of the element I and j is equal. So these are the principal diagonals. So in principal diagonal, in non-principal diagonals, element are always 0, and generally we denote this one like this, where Bij is 0 if I is not equal to j. In diagonal element, if I, for the position I is not equal to j, there is 0, and other elements have some values. Next is a scalar matrix. In a scalar matrix, principal diagonals elements is 3 in this one, and in non-principal diagonals there is 0. So generally we write a scalar matrix like this: Aij m cross m. Aij equals to 0 if I is not equal to j, or Aij equals to k if I equals to j, where k is some constant. So there is, in principal diagonals always we have some constant value, and it is same everywhere, and non-principal elements is 0 everywhere. Next is identity element, identity matrix. Identity matrix like this: 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. In identity matrix, generally we take I for identity matrix. In identity matrix, non-principal elements are 0 and principal element is always 1. So generally we write this one like this: Aij equals to 1 if I equals to j. Aij is equal to 0 if I is not equals to j. Identity matrix, identity matrix of order n is denoted by in only. If there is a single entry, it means number of rows and number of column is same. So if I2 means there is 2 rows and 2 columns. Another matrix is 0 matrix, or there is a nickname for 0 matrix, that is null matrix. In the same way, for the identity matrix there is a nickname for the identity matrix also, that is unit matrix. 0 matrix or null matrix is same if in a matrix all elements are 0. This is called 0 matrix. If all elements are 0, this is called 0 matrix. It may have of order 2 also, and generally we denote 0 matrix by symbol O. O means 0 matrix.